Have you ever spent hours reading a book, studying for a test, or trying to learn a new skill, only to wake up the next day and realize you forgot 80% of it? You start to think your memory is just bad, but you're not broken. You are just using the wrong operating system. Now imagine an intelligence operative, a CIA spy who has to master a fluent level of Arabic in a matter of weeks or memorize a highly classified dossier in just a few minutes. They don't use flashcards. They don't pull all-nighters in a library. They use neuro-hacking. Welcome back to Dr. Eazylife. Today we are opening the black box of elite intelligence training. I'm going to show you the 5 easy mode protocols that spies use to speed learn and how you can apply them to 10x your learning speed starting tonight. No secret clearances required. Let's dive in. Protocol number 1, Theta Wave priming. What if I told you that you could download information into your brain while you are falling asleep? During the Cold War, intelligence agencies experimented heavily with hypno-learning. But it's not magic, it's biology. There is a sweet spot between being fully awake and fast asleep. In this hazy zone, your brain produces theta waves. In this state, your subconscious barrier lowers and your brain becomes a sponge, absorbing information without resistance. The Dr. Eazylife hack? Right before bed, put on a 4 Hz theta wave audio track on YouTube. While it plays, review the hardest material you need to learn, whether that's a new language, math formulas, or a business pitch. As you drift off, your brain will take that primed information and consolidate it deeply into your long-term memory overnight. Protocol number 2, neuropriming in chaos. Most of us need absolute silence to focus, but operatives are trained to recall information in war zones, under gunfire and blaring sirens. Why? Because the brain learns better when it is forced to filter out noise. If you only train in silence, your focus is fragile. The Dr. Eazylife hack? We are going to build your mental armor. Tomorrow, put on a soundtrack of a loud coffee shop or busy street noise while you work. Set a timer to go off every 7 minutes. It will be annoying at first, but your brain will naturally adapt to tune out the chaos. Within 2 weeks, you'll be able to drop into a state of deep, unbreakable focus anywhere, even if the world is burning around you. Protocol number 3, sensory anchoring. Have you ever smelled a specific perfume or food and suddenly been transported back to a vivid childhood memory? That is your olfactory bulb communicating directly with your hippocampus, the memory center of your brain. Elite operatives hijack this biological loophole to recall data instantly. The Dr. Eazylife hack? Pair a specific strong scent with your study session. The easiest way? Chew a strong cinnamon or peppermint gum while you are learning a new concept. The next day, when you need to recall that exact information, whether you're in a meeting or taking a test, pop that exact same flavor of gum into your mouth. The scent and taste act as a neurological key, instantly unlocking the files you stored the day before. Protocol number 4, the spatial memory palace. Your brain is terrible at remembering abstract numbers and words, but it is brilliant at remembering physical locations. It's a survival mechanism. Spies use this to their advantage by mapping information onto physical environments. The Dr. Eazylife hack? Turn your own house into a cheat sheet. Assign the most important thing you need to remember today to your bathroom mirror. Assign a formula or strategy you are learning to the handle of your refrigerator. Visualize the information physically sitting there. Every time you walk past these checkpoints in real life, your brain auto-refreshes the data without you even trying. Protocol number 5, active interleaving. Studying one thing for 3 hours straight is inefficient. Your brain gets bored and stops recording. The spy secret is learning in short, aggressive bursts. The Dr. Eazylife hack? Study one topic intensely for 10 minutes, then completely switch gears and study something entirely different for the next 10 minutes. This forces your brain to cross-train. The constant switching forces your neurons to fire harder, linking seemingly unrelated concepts together and giving you a massive upgrade in memory retention. Listen to me very carefully. Intelligence and memory are not genetic gifts handed out at birth. They are trainable skills. Your brain is the most powerful supercomputer in the known universe, but up until now, you've just been using the wrong instruction manual. Stop telling yourself that you're a slow learner. Stop believing that you can't master a new skill, learn a new language, or reinvent your career. You have the exact same neurological hardware as the greatest minds and top-tier operatives in the world. You just have to start using these systems to unlock it. Take one of these protocols today, apply it, and watch your reality change. If this video gave you a new perspective on what your mind is truly capable of, smash that like button right now. Share it with one friend who needs a brain upgrade, and make sure you subscribe to Dr. Eazylife for more science-backed strategies on learning, thinking, and ultimate mental growth. Until next time, protect your focus, hack your brain, and live easy.